Last week I blew my trading account. I made mistakes, I held a losing trade, I averaged it, and eventually I booked a big loss. But that video was ending and this video is a new beginning. Instead of trying to recover everything by taking bigger trades and more risk, I am going back to the beginning. I am restarting with one lot, and from today I have one goal. One lot to 1 lakh. I don't know how long it will take and I don't know if I'll reach 1 lakh. And honestly, that's exactly what I want to document this journey. I'm not only going to show you the profits, I'm going to show you everything. The good trades, the bad trades, the mistakes, the losses, the lessons, and hopefully the progress. The goal is not to make 1 lakh as fast as possible. The goal is to become a better and more disciplined trader while working towards it. This time, I want to focus on following my rules, managing my risk, and improving one trade at a time. I'm starting with one lot because I don't want to repeat the same mistake of trying to recover losses by increasing the risk. If I make a mistake, you'll see it. If I make a loss, you will see it. If I break my rules, I'll talk about it, and if I make any progress, you will see that too. This is not a challenge where I'm going to promise you the unrealistic returns. I don't have a deadline and I don't know how long this will take, but until I reach the target or until this journey teaches me something completely different, I am going to keep documenting it. So this is it, one lot, 1 lakh, one trade at a time. Welcome to the one lot to 1 lakh journey. Let's begin.